This 2008 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QSH is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Kona, medium Alderwood interior, sleeps 5, stove top burner, skylight, external shower, self-contained, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, air conditioning, TV antenna, water heater, slideout, and 90 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2008 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QSH is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins 8.3 L360 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.